Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm getting ready to do a job on a '08 Infiniti G37 to where I'm getting ready to change the struts out to coilovers. So, first point of business, we got to get in there and see what we got to do. So first off, got to loosen the upper control arm, take the bolt out, then move down. Brake line's already been taken out the strut. You want to get everything out the strut that's going to be in the way when you try to take it loose. So, as I'm showing you, all of this stuff is what we're gonna remove. So when we take it off the upper control arm, this whole arm is gonna flop back so I can get in there and pull the whole strut out and put a new coilover in. So just bear with me for a few minutes and you see how fast the process will go. Okay, so where we're at now, we got everything disconnected, the upper control arm separated. As you can see, look down here, remove that plate that holds part of the strut bolt, the strut assembly, and the lower control arm. So now all we're gonna do is slide this out, and then we're gonna put in a new coilover. And cut you back on when we get to that point. So now we got everything back in place, and we got the new coilover in place. So now we got to just finish everything up, button it up, and we'll be good to go. We can throw the tire on and call it an evening. So now everything's going back together. ABS lines are going back into place. The brake line has already been remounted, as you can see right there. So now everything is done, everything's snugged down, tightened down like it's supposed to be. The only thing we got to do is put the wheel on, and if you have any questions, you know how to get in contact. Like, share, subscribe. We out.